Okay, so we got a 2000 and Asia,
Golf
2000 VW Golf.
2010.
Oh, wait a minute. Let me rewind, okay?
Chavez!
Okay.
Golf 2010.
It's a Golf, VW Golf 2010. What's the problem? This is a problem that the car won't start, and it might just be that he's got a problem with his IMMO. We're going to do an IMMO scan. Okay, so here he is. Here's the key. What's interesting is that as you can see, it is working. Oh, hang on, let's flip. It's working a little bit. Let me get the hang on. Oh, it'd be helpful if I took the cover off, right? Okay, I was covering up the lens. So you see, it's working here, not working there, okay? So it sort of works. And then, so we're gonna go see what happens. He had also a problem with his battery. So I'm gonna hook up the IMMO. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna play my favorite game, Where's the IMMO? But now we know that we can find it within the Autel itself. We can find out where that is. I'll hook it up. I spoke with my teacher and he said that first do an IMMO scan. Let's find out what the problem is. Okay, so let me get back to you and we'll find out what the problem is, okay? Whoops, okay. I guess the problem is trying to make sure you hit the right button. Okay, look, the handy dandy OBD finder has shown us where it is. Let's go get it now. Let's go hook up and we'll do an IMMO scan and find out what the problem is. So now I'm just gonna go do an IMMO scan here. That's what the teacher said. So here's IMMO, and I'll do that. Yes, thank you very much. We need Europe, because I'm here in Israel. I'm gonna go to Volkswagen, right there. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Now what I want to do is go to automatic selection. Oh, let me turn this bad boy on. Okay, read. Okay, make sure it's on right. We're still good with it. The voltage is a little shaky, but we're okay. Good. Okay, we got that. Take a look at this bad boy. I don't know, man. 2009, 14, 2010, right here, man. Looks like the one. Okay. Certainly not the Mexican one, man. Okay. Although I do like Mexican food. Okay. So now we want to do an IMMO scan. See what happens. Makara. Oh. IMMO scan. Geshem?
Yeah.
Okay. Looks like it's raining a little bit. It's doing its thing. It's scanning. Okay. Maybe we should sing a little song while we're waiting for the scan. Hang on, I'll just put it on pause until it comes back, and then we'll see what it says. So this is what we got right here. We have, looks like we have two faults, the DTC and the IMMO system passed, but the remote control system. So what does that mean? I got no idea, man. So I'm going to send this to my teacher, see what he says. We'll be back with an answer for you. I don't know, is that blurry or am I just too close to look at this thing?
Abram, you can see in the status scan main page, you can see that all the three down key information, the device said yes. If it said yes, it's recognized the key is the right key, and it's given the permission to start the engine. So if all is yes, so this is okay. The key and the immobilizer system is okay. Also, when the key is not correct or there is an issue with the immobilizer system, the car will start and then turn off immediately. This is how we know that the problem is with the IMMO. So in this car, I see a lot of problems. I think that it's something that may be connected to engine or some sensor. You need a mechanic. Don't make key operations.